Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Effect of prostaglandin on GIT. This is the circular muscle of GIT, and these are the longitudinal muscle of GIT. Prostaglandin E2 and F causes colicky cramps when they are used or when its derivative are used. Why there is colicky pain? Because the prostaglandin causes the contraction of circular muscle and contraction of longitudinal muscles. Once there is contraction, there will be diarrhea, and when there is dilation, there will be constipation. Remember it. Misoprostol prostaglandin E1 derivative prevents stomach from ulcer, and इसका जो side effect है that is colicky cramp. Even when misoprostol is used for abortion, again the patient will feel colicky cramp and there will be bleeding tendency. Airways. E1 and E2 and D2, they cause bronchodilation, and this bronchodilation is again due to EDRF release, and these derivatives are used in the form of aerosol for asthmatic patient, but the dry cough is a side effect. Similarly, thromboxane A2 and PGF2 alpha cause bronchoconstriction due to increased calcium, and they cause asthmatic attack. Effect on kidney, medulla and cortex. Producing prostaglandin, hydroxyarachidonic acid, leukotriene and epoxides. मेडुला में ज़्यादा पैदा होता है, कॉर्टेक्स में कम. These are very important for autoregulation of kidney function. Decline in renal function is directly attributed to COX inhibitor. When a patient, elder patient, or kidney already kidney में problem है, and that patient is using COX inhibitor in too much chronically, so there will be decline in renal function. This is due to COX inhibition, because once there is COX inhibition, there will be no production of LT, epoxide, hydroxyarachidonic acid and PGs. PG2 and PGI both increasing renin production, and this is known as beta 1 activity. PGE1, E2, I2 increasing glomerular filtration, and they also increase water and sodium excretion. This increased glomerular filtration is due to vasodilation, because when the nephron are dilated, the pore size will more and the filtration will be more. Effect on the male reproductive system. The major source of prostaglandin is seminal vesicle. 20 times increased PGE and F are found in fertile semen. Men with decreased prostaglandin concentration mean in fertile patient. The injection, the intracavernosal injection or urethral suppository of alprostadil, which is PGE1, is very good, helpful in the treatment of erectile dysfunction. But इसके लिए जो side effect है, that is penile pain, and this penile pain is due to priapism, and this priapism occur in 4% patient. Female reproductive system में prostaglandin are used for abortion, they are used for facilitation of labor, they are used to so menstrual cycle can be decreased, and they also cause dysmenorrhea. Abortion. PGE2 dinoprostone and PGF2 alpha carboprostomethamine have potent oxytocic effect used for termination of pregnancy. PG keeps cervix softened, and the PG prostaglandin keep the cervix softened, and this soften is due to proteoglycan and collagen property. So due to this, PGE2 and PGF2 analogs, they are used for termination of pregnancy. We can use PGE2 and F2 alpha derivatives, these drugs, for the facilitation of labor. But PGF2 alpha is more potent than PGE2 IV infusion. We are using these in IV infusion. These drugs, these derivatives are safer than oxytocin. Asthmatic patient cannot use PGF2 because it causes bronchoconstriction, and it is contraindicated in asthmatic patient. While in asthmatic patient, PGE2 is recommended because it is cause bronchodilation. Oxytocin is not safe because it causes uterine inertia and even uterine rupture. Endometrial synthesis of PGE2 and F2 alpha during menstruation during mens cause ischemic pain. There is ischemic pain due to endometrial release of PGE2 and F2 alpha. So NSAID are 80% effective, but the higher dose of NSAID or aspirin causes more menstruating bleeding because sometimes the COX are irreversibly inhibiting thromboxane A2. When thromboxane A2 are irreversibly inhibited, there is more menstrual bleeding. So care must be taken. The too much higher dose of NSAIDs is contraindicated for the treatment of menstrual pain because it increasing menstrual bleeding.